Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get free shipping on AliExpress. Now, the first thing I want you to do is actually just search for any product or category you want. So let's just come here, let's do drinkware, you can just search for anything else. Let's just do drinkware right here. And then all you need to do once you do your search, okay, we need to filter this to the ones with the free shipping. The way you go about this, you come in the left hand panel, okay, and I want you to scroll down all the way down right here until you see delivery options and services. And I want you to toggle on free shipping. Now, once we have this one toggled on, all the ones that you will see are right here do have free shipping. So you can click on these and then you can go ahead and add these to cart. So here it is opening up right here. And as you can see, these ones have free shipping. So you can make your purchase really that easy. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.